What's up, fellow vapers? Welcome back to Freakin' Vaping World. Today we are unboxing the Evo Rex, a sleek, high-performance device that's about to elevate your vaping game. Let's step in and see what makes the Evo Rex stand out. Let's start with the packaging. It sets the tone for what's inside. On the front, you'll see the Evo Rex name with a striking product image. It highlights key features like 22,000 puffs, DTL heats, and a variety of available flavors. On the side, you'll find more standout features: dual mesh coils, digital display, leather cover, and a large battery for longer sessions. And the Evo Rex back image also shows on the side, giving you a closer look at its sleek design. Plus, the packaging has important warning labels on both the front and back to ensure safety. The packaging is not only functional but visually striking, reflecting the innovation inside. Now let's unbox it and take a closer look. Let's start by tearing open the plastic bag and pulling out the Evo Rex. As soon as we hold it, the first thing that stands out is its sleek, cylindrical design. Wrapped in premium artisan leather, the device has a vintage-inspired charm that immediately catches the eye. The craftsmanship is top-notch, and its refined look promises a lasting impression. What really sets the Evo Rex apart is the tactile feel of the leather wrap. Soft yet durable, it provides a comfortable and cozy grip, making it a pleasure to hold in hand. The combination of style and comfort makes this device feel just as good as it looks. Then you'll notice a clear digital display that shows both e-juice and battery levels. This allows you to easily keep track of your vaping session, ensuring you are always in control and never running low on power or flavor. Moving on to performance, the Evo Rex is equipped with an upgraded dual mesh coil, featuring Freakin's advanced multi-drive low-impedance technology. This coil ensures ultra-fast heating and exceptional flavor purity with every puff. Each draw delivers rich, consistent taste, making every session a truly premium experience. The Evo Rex is perfect for DTL vaping due to its low resistance. This means you can enjoy massive clouds and more intense flavor with each inhale, fully unlocking the full potential of the device for a satisfying cloud-filled experience. To top it up, the Evo Rex features an adjustable airflow slider at the bottom. Whether you prefer a tighter, more concentrated heat or more smoother inhale, with this simple adjustment, you can tailor your vape to your exact preferences, ensuring a rich and satisfying flavor every time. There are 10 flavors as follow: blueberry ice, grape ice, strawberry watermelon, strawberry mango, peach ice, Shisha double apple, Shisha watermelon ice, Shisha lemon mint, Shisha bubblegum, Shisha mixed berries. As for the specifications, Evo Rex is powered by a robust 1100 mAh battery, providing long-lasting performance. With up to 22,000 puffs on a single charge, it's perfect for all-day vaping without the need to recharge frequently. If you like our product today, give us a thumbs up and click the link below to find out more. Also, you can subscribe us for more high-quality vapes to come. Remember, enjoy freedom, enjoy Freakin'.